Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to see archive on Instagram. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram downloaded from App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Here you can see your home page. Now you can click on profile picture. Then the right side you can see 3 lines. Click on it. Then you can simply see archive. You can also see from here, and if you want to see from another side you can click on your activity. Here you can see the option called archived. So from here you can see your story archive, post archive and live archive. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.